Hi, my name is Glenn Shazelin. I am the CASA instructor at Healdsburg Unified School District. CASA is the Construction and Sustainability Academy. CASA is a course in construction technology with an emphasis on green building and sustainable practices. In the class, we learn about different aspects of the built world: architecture, engineering, construction, management, and of course the different trades. CASA is a class in which all students can benefit. Whether they're going into construction or they're going on to college, they develop real-world skills that they can take with them, whether they're going to be homeowners or work in the trades. The goal is to provide real-world experience for Healdsburg High School students. These skills they can take with them whether they go on to higher education or they go into the work world. CASA provides a classroom environment that's very different from other classroom environments. Many students who struggle in their academic classes do well in this class because it's very hands-on, project-oriented, and it's a different way of learning that a lot of them haven't experienced before.
The projects we do in this class are building chicken coops or building a shed like we did, to auction off or give to people, and some of us have built dog houses to sell ourselves, and right now we're currently working on a project for the FFA Fair to be in the float.
There's lots of benefits to the CASA program. There's benefits for the students, there's benefits for the school district, there's benefits for the community. The students get real-world experience, knowledge, and skills that they can take directly from this class and apply in their personal lives as well as their professional lives. They can also take the skills they learn here into furthering their education. Students that are interested in architecture, engineering, construction, management, or just students who plan on owning a home one day will benefit from this class. The community benefits from this class because we're providing the next generation workforce with a set of skills that many kids from high school don't have or are unable to get, and they have to learn in the real world. So the students that leave this program actually have the benefit of having experience and knowledge in construction, and they're much more likely to find a job.
Okay, I'm working on a towel rack that we're going to put on our bathroom float for the parade. What are you working on?
I'm working on the steps to the bathroom so we can get to the towel rack.
Because you need steps to get to your bathroom.
I'm working on welding and using a plasma cutter and cutting metal.
CASA rocks!